Kinohikai School Primary Kibadan Hakashatri Jongka All Primary School Teachers Association ne PSTA Klapin Pau ya kajing persya ya kajing temu ketenat pule puthi man pentri kam ya Meghalaya Education Grant habadawa baka sarkar kadai bendang penpeteng shwa ya kajing tri kam kinohikai deficit hajala kani kasur jong kinohikai School Primary kalami na kajing ya pajba walaupun long hakasing thoding hanong ba shalong Kini kajing yat pajba bala sertap de keyboard pulit kelas dang nadu kapor shpo bujimin step na jail road hagaba kinong hikai kilayat lingba kathan khandailat ter show office ka deputy commissioner nanpalok polo pat pinkut pat ha golfling community hall haba kran chiklat pathai khobor u general secretary ka APSTA ba FC Shulai ula ong pakajing penlong ya kini kajing yat pajba kolong man penpau ya kajing persya ya katanat puli puthi ka sarkar jela bakat mu ban pendu no ya kini hikai deficit pat ban pentrai kam no da ka Meghalaya Education Grant
So we are here together the rally, as you have seen, through the poster and placard that we have demanded to the government that to retain the service of the deficit school teachers after the retirement, and the post will continue. And we have no objection about the MEG, but only the reason is that we want to retain the service of this deficit school and peace school after the retirement. And number two is regarding this CPF. We have already deficit the CPF account of all the teachers, closed their account and deficit the state bank. And till today we are not having this CPF account number, personal account number, and we don't know where is this amount goes. Okay, we know that is in the state bank, but what is the interest they earn from there, and to whom that interest will go? And number three is regarding this 46 and 49%. Every year, every increment of 6 month increment to the government employee we are entitled, but suddenly on the first quarter of this month, they have already stopped this 46, 49, and till today we are drawing this 43%. And there's some minor issue also with this means to fill up the vacant posts in the primary school. So many vacant posts are there, and also then issue the order from time to time. Within a week time we are getting one order, after a week time we are getting another order. So we don't know where we will follow. If we start this one, then another order will come. This create problem to the teachers, and also doing all this, even in the MEC team also, they are telling us to do this MEC team. And the problem is that to do in the computer, but you know in rural school or primary school don't have this computer. So where will provide? They have to come from the rural area to Shillong in the cyber and they have to remain absent for 2 or 3 days. So there are minor issues which we have seen there, and this is the district wise. We are doing on 18 at Jowai, 20 Garo, and then today at Khasi Hills. If the government will not respond to our demand, then we have to do the state level. And all the Garo and Khasi and Jantia will join hands.